What's the meaning of charge capping? Charge capping. Charge capping.
Charge capping. Charge capping. Charge capping refers to a mechanism that limits the amount of money that can be charged for a particular product or service. This is often used in regulated industries, such as utilities or telecommunications, to prevent companies from overcharging their customers. The result of charge capping is a more affordable and predictable pricing structure for consumers. It ensures that prices are fair, transparent, and competitive, which promotes a healthy market environment. Ultimately, charge capping benefits both consumers and businesses by creating a level playing field and supporting sustainable economic growth.